Hello, I'm Heron and I shall be teaching you maths today. This is for class 9th and we shall be starting with a chapter which has some connection with class 8th also. This chapter is called Heron's formula. Before we get into any chapter, there are certain prerequisite skills that we all should know. So let us first talk about what all we should know before we enter the chapter, and then after this we shall start it. Are you ready? No, don't say yes. Bring a copy and a pen after pausing the video. When you're ready with a copy, pen and geometry box, then start it. Okay, I hope you have already played the video and you have got everything handy and ready with you. Let us begin. We have all known basic geometry already. We all know the planar figures such as circle, triangle, quadrilaterals. We all know that. If somebody asks you, what is a triangle? You would say a figure with 3 sides. Good enough. But you must add another word. A closed figure with 3 sides is called a triangle. So, suppose you make a figure with 3 sides. This may not be a triangle, although it has 3 sides. But if you make a figure which is closed by 3 sides, then it will be called as a triangle. So what is a triangle? A triangle is a plane figure of 3 sides. And I forgot the word closed. There. So a closed figure of 3 sides is called a triangle. Now, what do we do when we have to find the area of a triangle? Let's see. First I draw a triangle like this. And I name it A, B, C. The triangle that you see, these 3 are called the vertex of the triangle. And these are called as the sides of the triangle. Now, this side will be called as side AB. This will be called as side BC. And this will be called as side AC. We all know that. Okay? Suppose I have to find the area of this triangle. That means we have to find how much part of the board does this triangle have? How much part of this board the triangle covers? That will be called as the area. For example, this board, which must be looking smaller to you, this is a 2 by 3 board. So that is 2 square feet into 3 square feet gives you 6 square feet. Out of the 6 square feet, what part is this triangle covering? That will be called as the area of this triangle. And I believe you must have heard this many a times. You know this, what's the area of a triangle? We know the area of a triangle is given by half into base into height. But we need to understand what is the base and the height of a triangle. First, base of a triangle. Any side of the triangle can be treated as base. Any side. For example, if I take side BC as the base, then the height will mean perpendicular from the opposite vertex. The side is BC, opposite to BC is A. If you draw a perpendicular from A, children, then this A, let's name it as D, will be called the height of the triangle when BC is the base. So in that case, the area of this triangle will be half into BC into AB. That's half into base into height. You might say, sir, but you said that you can take any side as the base. You have just taken BC as the base. How about the other sides? Let's see that also. Let's say we take AC as the base. If this AC is your base, then B is your opposite vertex. So you have to draw perpendicular from the opposite vertex. Let's name as BE. Now the area of the triangle will be half into CA or AC into BE. One might think, sir, you have changed the base, you have changed the height also. Does the area change? Area doesn't change. Area remains the same. Why? Because triangle is the same. Now, I ask you something. Suppose we take AB as the base. What will be the perpendicular? From where will you draw the perpendicular? A, B, or C? It must be from C. So the new area of the triangle will be half into AB into C, let's say F, so CF. And in all the three cases, the area will be same. So the first pre-required skill to know Heron's formula was to know how to calculate the area of a given triangle. We can only do that if we know the base as well as the height. That is one. Let's move on to the next part. What have we learned till now? What is a triangle? We have learned that. And we also learned how do we calculate the area of a triangle. But the problem is, suppose we do not know the height of the triangle. We only know the three sides of the triangle. So suppose you have a triangle which is ABC again, and you know the measure of the three sides. Let's take the measure of this side as A centimeter or meter or whatever units you are taking. Take this side opposite to vertex B as B. So this is your side B, and this is your side C. That means in this case you don't know the base or the height. What you know is the three measures of the three sides. If the question, what will the question in this case? The question could be, a triangle has sides as 3, 4 and 5 centimeters, find the area. The problem is, we have only learned to calculate the area by half into base into height, and in this case there is no height given. What do we do then? We can still find the area of this triangle. How? Let's understand that. First, learn the word perimeter. First, learn this word. Perimeter. Peri is always boundary. Meter is always measurement. So, the measurement of the boundary will be called as perimeter. Now, in this case, we all know that the boundary is this. So, the perimeter will be given by A plus B plus C. So I'll write A plus B plus C as the perimeter, or if in this case, let's say the sides of the triangle will be 3, 4 and 5, then the perimeter will be 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 7 plus 5, that is 12. So that's perimeter for you. Now learn the word semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. What is that? See, it's denoted by S. Semi, wherever it is used, it means half. Semicircle is half a circle. Semi-perimeter is half the perimeter. So you have A plus B plus C by 2 as the semi-perimeter. So we know the perimeter now, we know the semi-perimeter now. Why are we calculating all this? It's because we are going to calculate the area of this triangle without knowing the height. How? Let's see that. For this triangle, we have semi-perimeter as A plus B plus C. So there comes Heron's formula for finding the area of a triangle, which is, if the sides of a triangle are A, B and C, then the area of that triangle will be given by whole root over of semi-perimeter into semi-perimeter minus the measure of first side, semi-perimeter minus the measure of second side, and then Semi-perimeter minus the measure of third side. Root over of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C is how you calculate the area of a triangle if you do not know the height. This, children, is called as Heron's formula. You must pause the video now and write this. Good.